Hello, Nonna Maria here. I'm making today my Sicilian stuffed artichokes. Not in sauce because we always, in Palermo, we also put it in sauce, but regular, but still with, with an egg top on top. Here we have pecorino romano, parmigiano reggiano, breadcrumbs, toasted pine nuts, raisins, parsley, salt, and little pepper. You soak first the artichokes, not to get black, in water with lemon. Okay, and now we start drying them. We open the artichoke like this by smashing them down and open because I like breadcrumbs everywhere. The mix, it's delicious and I love it everywhere in every leaves. I seen recently that they say, I don't know what town, not where I come from, but they stuff it with chopped meat, like they make meatballs. I don't like raw meat, like I said before, any place. So, I don't know. They say this is the way it is. Only two people. I never seen it before in my life, my family, or anybody that I know. Like I say, this is my method, my family, and everyone I know in Sicily. It could be any other's way. Okay, first, as you can see, there is some oil. I use all the ingredients to put in there. Now it's time for the egg. Okay, which there is pecorino romano, parmigiano reggiano, a little salt, and a little pepper. Okay, we start putting it a little bit at a time for all the surface. The oil is called, it's caldo in Italian.